In this video, we'll show you how to fix Roblox crashing on PC step by step, and in a quick and simple way. The first thing we should do is restart our computer and make sure we have a stable internet connection. In some cases, a simple restart can solve temporary issues that cause Roblox to close unexpectedly. Next, we'll make sure we're using the latest version of Roblox. To do this, we can open Roblox through the official app or the platform we're using and check whether there are any pending updates. If Roblox continues to crash, the next step is to update our graphics card drivers. We can do this through the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website, depending on the hardware in our computer. It's also a good idea to close other applications running in the background, especially programs that use a lot of system resources. If we have limited RAM available, or the processor is under heavy load, Roblox may experience performance issues and eventually crash. Another step we can try is to repair or reinstall Roblox. To do this, we can uninstall the application through Windows settings, and then download it again from the official Roblox website. We should also make sure that our computer meets the requirements needed to run Roblox properly, and that we have enough free storage space. If the problem continues, we can check the graphics settings inside Roblox and lower the graphics quality. This can be especially helpful on computers with less powerful hardware. And that's it! As you can see, fixing Roblox crashes on PC is a fairly simple process if we go through each of these steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.